So one of my gun shops has a $5 box, and I saw this sitting in there, and it's for the Marlin Model 60. It's too long for the one we had, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut it down. I've got the other one to match it to, so should be able to get a good fit and reinstall the cap and everything. So wish me luck. Kind of chamfers those as it cuts it, so I'll go ahead and use the universal deburring tool and open that up a little bit. You nasty. You nasty. Recognize and sanitize. Because you ain't the shit if you smell like it. No. My holes were a little off, so I'm going to retrim this and try it again. So this guy here has a ring that seats against the mag tube and the barrel, for that matter. Or not the barrel, but the mag tube. And the spring keeps tension on this collar, which presses against the mag tube so it locks. It doesn't bounce out. So you had to find the happy medium between too short and too long. And I think I got it. I'll put this thing together and give it a shot. Got a little spring action to it. That's good. All right, $5 fix. They had them at Numerich, but they were like 35, 40 bucks or whatever. But I got lucky on this one, so good deal.